The Legend of India, Part 4. Hello and welcome to this video on the great Indian mathematicians Brahmagupta and Bhaskara II. In this video, we will take a closer look at these two remarkable figures and their contributions to the field of mathematics. Brahmagupta was born in the year 598 AD in the city of Ujjain, in present-day Madhya Pradesh, India. He was a renowned mathematician and astronomer, who is best known for his work in the field of algebra and number theory. Brahmagupta's most famous work is his book Brahmagupta Siddhanta, which was written in 628 AD. Brahmagupta's work on algebra and number theory was particularly groundbreaking. He was the first mathematician to provide a formula for solving general quadratic equations, which he called the pulverizer or reducing to the absurd method. This formula was later rediscovered by European mathematicians like Fibonacci and Cardano. He also introduced the concept of negative numbers and zero to the field of mathematics. In fact, Brahmagupta was the first mathematician to treat zero as a number in its own right, rather than just a placeholder. He also wrote extensively on geometry and trigonometry, and his work on the sine function was especially influential. Brahmagupta also wrote on astronomy, including the movements of planets, eclipses, and the calculation of the length of a year. One of the most famous formulas of Brahmagupta is the Brahmagupta's formula for cyclic quadrilaterals. This formula provides the area of a cyclic quadrilateral based on the length of its sides. Brahmagupta's formula is still used in modern geometry and is named in honor of him. Now let's turn our attention to Bhaskara II, who was born in the year 1114 AD in the city of Bijapur, in present-day Karnataka, India. Bhaskara II was a mathematician and astronomer, who is best known for his work in the field of calculus and trigonometry. His most famous work is his book Siddhanta Shiromani, which was written in 1150 AD. One of the most important contributions of Bhaskara to the field of mathematics was his work on calculus. He was the first mathematician to develop a form of differential calculus, which he called Bijganita, meaning the science of calculation. This method allowed him to calculate rates of change and slopes of curves, and it laid the foundation for the development of calculus in Europe several centuries later. He also made significant contributions to the field of trigonometry, and his work on the sine and cosine functions was particularly important. In fact, Bhaskara II was the first mathematician to give an accurate approximation of the value of pi, up to 5 decimal places. In addition to his contributions to mathematics, Bhaskara II was also an accomplished astronomer. He accurately calculated the length of a year, the position of the planets, and the occurrence of eclipses. He also made significant contributions to the field of optics, and his work on the nature of light was ahead of its time. He wrote on the nature of light and the reflection of light, and he developed a theory on the formation of rainbows. Both Brahmagupta and Bhaskara II were also skilled astronomers, and they made significant contributions to the field. Brahmagupta accurately calculated the length of a year, the position of the planets, and the occurrence of eclipses. Bhaskara II developed several astronomical instruments and accurately calculated the motion of celestial objects. In conclusion, both Brahmagupta and Bhaskara II were remarkable mathematicians and astronomers whose contributions to the field of mathematics have had a lasting impact. Their work on algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, and astronomy laid the foundation for modern mathematics, and their ideas continue to be studied and applied today. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe channel.